Hello friends, we are going to learn wild animals name. So let's begin. Tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Bear. B E A R. Bear. Giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Deer. D E E R. Deer. Monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Lion. L I O N. Lion. Panda. P A N D A. Panda. Chimpanzee. C H I M P A N J E. E. Chimpanzee. I will repeat again. Tiger, bear, giraffe, deer, monkey, elephant, zebra, lion, panda, chimpanzee. Thank you.